Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the boot of your Mazda MX-5. First, locate the boot release lever inside the car. This lever is usually positioned on the floor, to the left of the driver's seat, often next to the fuel cap release. Simply pull this lever firmly upwards to unlatch the boot. You will hear a click as it releases, allowing you to lift the boot lid. Many Mazda MX-5 models also feature a convenient boot release button on the key fob. Look for the button with a small boot icon. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You should hear the boot unlatch, and then you can simply lift it open. This method is especially useful when approaching your car with your hands full. In an emergency, or if someone is accidentally locked inside, the Mazda MX-5 boot has an internal emergency release. You'll find a small, glow-in-the-dark handle on the inside of the boot lid. Reach in, locate this handle, and pull it firmly. This will immediately unlatch the boot, providing a safe exit or access when other methods are unavailable. If you're having trouble opening your MX-5 boot, first ensure the car is fully unlocked. Sometimes, a simple lock/unlock cycle can resolve minor issues. Also, check for any items obstructing the boot lid's movement or latch. If the internal lever feels unusually loose, there might be an issue with the release cable, which may require a quick inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.